Hi, I'm Cheryl Leach. In this video, we're going to look at a problem that requires us to take the third derivative. Let's take a look at the function f of x equals x to the fifth minus 3x to the fourth. Now, if we think a minute about how we find derivatives, every time you take a derivative, the answer is another function in which you can take the derivative. And you can continue this process as many times as you like. So, in finding the third derivative, let's go ahead and take the first derivative. We're just going to use our basic rules. The derivative of x to the fifth is 5x to the fourth. And then we're going to subtract the derivative of 3x to the fourth, which will be 3 times 4x cubed. Right? Now we're going to want to simplify this before we move on. So I have 5x to the fourth minus 12x cubed. Now we're ready for the second derivative. Again, just using our basic rules. So we have a constant multiple of 5, and the derivative of x to the fourth is 4x cubed. We're going to subtract 12 times the derivative of x cubed, which is 3x squared. And again, we want to simplify. 20x cubed minus 36x squared. Finally, we're ready for the third derivative. Constant multiple of 20, the 20 gets pulled out, and the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Constant multiple of 36 is pulled out, and the derivative of x squared is 2x. Simplifying, we get 60x squared minus 72x. That's your third derivative. One thing I want to point out, though, is that when you're taking higher order derivatives, there's no shortcut. You can't go from the original function the whole way down to the third derivative. Make sure you take it one step at a time, getting the first derivative, the second derivative, and then finally the third derivative. I hope this helps. Thanks.